Ramogi wadhi nyaka Kisii. Liet mar siasa medore e kaunti ma Kisii tok kane opedh e nyim od bura mar kaunti ma Kisii twak mar thicho oko jalup gavana mar kaunti no, kama MCAs maromo 51 e kind 71 siro twak makamano. Twak makamano bende nochwal koda MCA ma Ichuni Wycliffe Siocha ne opedhi e nyim od burano chieng' tich ariyo kendo nyayo paro mopogore opogore e kind MCAs mag UDA kod ma siro twak makamano. Magi timore kinde mag gwandruok osebedo kaneno e kind gavana ma Kisii Mbarati kod jalupne Robert Monda. Duol mar jodongo oganda jodhood Abagusi bende igeno ne dhi twak e wi telo mar kaunti no kawuono.
The 2010 Constitution of Kenya. Number 2, he has abused his office. Number 3, he has committed crimes under the national law or laws. And number 4, his code of conduct or conduct as a deputy governor is really wanting.
We have started the process of impeachment, and we are asking that we are going to follow the due process. Allegations have been read in the assembly, and we want to assure the public that we are going to ensure that the process is followed to the letter, and that we are going to ensure that fairness, even to the accused DG, is going to be respected.
In regard to impeachment of Dr. Robert Monda, who is the deputy governor. And as an MCA, I want to request the Senate, because I know down there the MCAs have been compromised, to come to the Senate. I want to urge the Senate to disregard and dispose of this matter as quick as possible, so that the people of Kisii County can get the service.
Instead of governor focusing on service delivery, he has actually sponsored the removal of his own deputy, because the deputy has chosen to actually speak the truth